How to buy Catstanbul2025 token. So this token came under the symbol of CAT25. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, go and check their community on X. As you can see, they have 43 members there. So this token is available on the screener. It created 5 hours ago, as you can see, and increased by 4,000% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trending number 18 in this Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your fund to mine it for that, as you can see. After that, click here on swap. Now make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet and click here to paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it, and now you can type here how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click here and select Jupiter. Now you will be able to see here swap. Click on it, and after that you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. This is how to buy CAT25 token. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.